Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Taptastic Vibe Clitoral Stimulator. So let's get started. So this is the Taptastic Vibe Clitoral Stimulator itself. Now you can enjoy a wonderful and unique experience with this clitoral stimulator. The toy features a vibrating and moving element. Let the 6 different tapping settings pleasantly surprise you and experience the user-friendly design of this stylish toy. The stimulator is made of a soft silicone and is also rechargeable. To turn on, press and hold on the button just here. To activate the tapping, press on the top button here, and as you can see, the tapping begins. Press on the same button and choose your favourite setting. To turn off, press and hold down on the bottom button, and it's now off. Using your USB charging cable provided, to recharge, gently push through the silicone hole at the front just here. This does not damage the toy, and it will begin to charge for you. Now, when using this Taptastic Vibe, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the clitoral stimulator after every use. And for this, we recommend to use either a toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water too. And that is the Taptastic Vibe Clitoral Stimulator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.